Hey besties, welcome back! Today I'm going to share with you one of the easiest and most powerful DIY remedies that will literally make your skin whiter, smoother, and spotless in just a few uses. And the best part? It's completely natural, super cheap, and you can use it not only on your face, but also on dark areas of the body like underarms, elbows, knees, and even neck. Basically anywhere you have dullness or pigmentation. Ancient Asian secret: rice. Yes, plain rice from your kitchen can completely transform your skin tone and texture. Let me show you how. Step 1. Prepare the rice base. Take 4 tablespoons of rice. Rice has been used for centuries in Japan and Korea because it contains ferulic acid, vitamin B, and antioxidants that brighten the skin, reduce pigmentation, and even slow down aging. First, rinse the rice 2 to 3 times to remove dust and excess starch. This step is important because we only want clean, pure rice goodness for our skin. Add the rice into a pot with 1 glass of water and cook on low heat until it becomes soft and the water reduces. This water is basically liquid gold. It carries all the nutrients that help with skin whitening and repair. Step 2. Blend into a cream. Once the rice is soft, transfer everything into a blender and make a smooth, creamy paste. If it feels too thick, add a little milk or water. Now here comes the magic part. Let's enrich our rice paste with some extra natural ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Milk has lactic acid that gently exfoliates dead skin, fades dark spots, and gives you a radiant glow. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut, argan, or jojoba oil. Oils are hydrates the skin deeply and helps fade marks, scars, and uneven patches. Optional, add a few drops of lemon juice. Lemon is great for brightening, and especially for underarms or knees. But if you have sensitive skin, skip it. Mix everything well until you get a smooth, creamy texture. Step 3. Application. Now besties, you can use this cream 2 ways. As a face pack. Apply a thick layer to clean skin. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then wash off with lukewarm water. You'll notice an instant glow after just 1 use. As a body brightening mask, apply it to dark areas like underarms, elbows, knees, or neck. Massage gently in circular motions for 2 to 3 minutes. Then leave it for 10 minutes before rinsing. With regular use, those areas become visibly lighter and smoother. This mask is so effective because rice water contains niacinamide naturally, the same ingredient used in expensive serums for whitening and reducing pigmentation. Milk evens out the skin tone, and coconut oil heals and moisturizes. Together, they create a perfect balance of brightening plus hydration. Pro tips for best results. Use it on your face 1 to 2 times a week because facial skin is more delicate. For the body, you can safely use it 2 to 3 times a week. Always apply on clean skin so the nutrients can penetrate better. Store the cream in an airtight container in the fridge. It stays fresh for up to 7 days. Be consistent. Real glow-ups don't happen overnight, but even after 2 to 3 uses, you'll see a visible difference. So bestie, if you've been struggling with dull skin, dark patches, or just want that soft Korean glass skin glow without spending money, this is your go-to secret. Try it out and let me know in the comments where you used it. Face, underarms, knees. I'd love to hear your results. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your besties who also dream of brighter, smoother skin. Stay glowing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next one.